Boom, boom. What's up, guys? Y'all want to see something pretty? Check it out. Okay, so, I mean, you guys know what I do for a living. You know, we're constantly flying with guns. We're constantly on the road. We're constantly on the move. I've been looking for the best kind of like travel safe, travel weapon storage option for quite some time. Ladies and gentlemen, with no further ado, I have found it. I'm extremely excited about it, and I can't wait to show it to you. It's from a company called Vaultek. Vaultek, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. This is called the LifePod 2. All right, they make a bunch of these. They make a bunch of safes. I'm really stoked to get one for my house because the one at the house has a whole app that comes with it. Tells you when your kids are trying to get into your guns and all that crazy stuff. So anyways, the LifePod 2, I've been seeing them around for a while, and I finally caught up with these guys at SHOT Show, and I was like, dude, I gotta get me one of these. And they gave me like the whole expose about like what this is, how much cooler it is than all the other safes on the market, why I want one, and I was like, dude, I'm totally stoked. So here we go, guys. The LifePod 2. Instantly, the first thing I notice about it is how beautiful it is. Like, it's sexy, bro. Like the coin in here, it's smooth. And if you like know me, pretty much everything I do has got to be smooth with a V. I be on a smooth game, right? Because this is when you roll up, you're representing your clients, and so if you're doing something, it's just got to be sexy. It's got to be smooth with a V. All right, so check it out, man. You can put in a 4-digit code. This thing stores up to like 20 different like codes in it. So you can put all your fingers in. You've got a 4-digit code pad here. You've also got a lock button right here for locking it. You've got your biometric fingerprint situation right there that you just push on when you want to open it. Nice and easy access. I like having multiple options. It also does have like a manual key open situation down there in case, like, I don't know, you get hit by an EMP and you got to get weird. So that's super dope. But I like that you have so many options. Sometimes this thing is freaking airproof, like pretty much airtight. This is designed to actually float if it falls in water. So like, I mean, unless you got a really heavy gun, I guess you're getting your gun back if it's in here and it drops in the water. Don't be that guy. Anyway, so this bad Larry right here has a lot of different features. Polymer top, smash resistant, super strong. I've dealt with a lot of these things, and one of the things I always hate about these is how stinking heavy they always are. And with all the different airlines being like, you get a 25-pound weight requirement, or else you have to pay extra. You know, the client don't want to pay extra. You know, your boss at the company, security company, don't want to pay extra. And even if you're a civilian, like, you don't want to pay extra, bro. Like, just let me take my guns. Like, stop bothering me. It's America. So check it out, dude. These guys made this thing out of a very strong plastic, which is awesome because it's less weight and it's super strong because, like, we're in the future now.
You've got to come back with me. Where? Back to the future.
All right, so check it out. When I want to unlock this thing, boom. We got the extra latches that actually are what make it airtight and keep it nice and compressed. I've got my biometric situation here. Lights up green on both sides. If I want to lock it, I just hit the lock button. Boom, and now it is locked again and it's lighting up. But if I want to unlock it, ooh, right? And I think you get 100 and some odd like opens and closes and stuff like that. All right, boom. So if I want to open this bad Larry up, I'm just doing one of these. Boom, 2 green lights. She's open. And wait. You gotta get the angles right on this, guys. You gotta see the light. You gotta see the sexiness on this. Now that's super dope, right? So at nighttime, when it's like next to you, let me turn my light back on. So at nighttime, when it's the right time, but you might have to, you know, if they come during the day, they want your stuff. If they come at night, they're coming for you. So at nighttime, when you open this next to your bedstand, you have a light that makes it so you can see your stuff, which is super dope. Now, as many of you guys can see, I have a extra full size Staccato C2 in here because that's how I roll, because Staccato makes superior firearms. I just want to show you that. Now you get like some storage pieces in here that you can actually molly a lot of different things too, but if you're rocking like the big, you know, you're rocking the big boys like the boy, you know what I'm saying? You guys gotta keep the main thing, you know what I'm saying? But this is an absolutely super full size gat right here, right? Compensator and everything. Superior firearm, better than everyone else's.
It's better than yours.
And that's why I love these guys. Let's go. So Staccato C2, full size with the comp is in here. No problem. Smoke them if you got them. Now, we also have this little doohickey, which I thought was a pretty cool little McNiggler, as we would say. And what it does is it actually hooks right in here on this here hook, and you can take that, close your safe, loop it through that little loop right there, and you can now fasten your safe, like say in your car or whatever else if you gotta go somewhere, which I thought was super, super cool. So not only can you take your big boy that has a light and a red dot on it and your 26 round mag with you, now you can also, now not only can you take your full-size gats with you, you can also lock it to whatever, wherever you are. Wherever. And you can actually have that luxury as well. Now, the other thing I really like about this, for the homies, because if you guys have been traveling, you've ran into this, we've all ran into this. This has a TSA Compliant firearms safety device, California DOJ certified. But you run into that beautiful flight attendant who's like, well, sir, they need to be able to get in your box and you need to have TSA approved locks.
You ain't going nowhere without us, Osama. If you got to go to the bathroom, we going with you.
There's a whole lot of laws I can tell you about why that's not actually the truth, but that's another video. But the reality is that this is TSA compliant, baby. So do your research and find out why that is so you can tell them all the right things and give them an education, because they do like to do that from time to time. But as for the LifePod 2.0, I'm saying that this is the #1 convenient travel case that you should be using when you go on your trips, when you go on the road, because of the versatility, all the different options that you have, and the levels of safety with this thing, like right here, and also the weight, which I really love about it. So huge shout out to Vaultek. They seriously delivered on this one, and I'm totally a fan. I'm gonna get the whole entire series, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. If you want to know about any of their other stuff, put it in the comments, and I'll bug them about it so I can get one, and then so I can make another really cool video telling you guys how I like it. And you will be seeing me travel with that LifePod, because it is the business. Hey, Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade, reminding you that protection is more than just a job. It really is a lifestyle. I'll see you out there. Let's go. Boom, boom.